Hi, everybody. Happy Thursday. It is very warm outside, so I hope you had some time to get outside and do stuff. Today's book is This Is My Book.
And no one else.
I have my daughter Aubrey helping us read today. I am the author, and that means I get to write all the words. I am also the illustrator, so I get to make all the pictures too. Here, I'll draw something. This is Percy, the perfectly polite panda. He's going to help me explain the rules of my book.
I prefer to be called Spike.
I drew you. I get to name you. As I was saying, rule number 1, my book needs to stay nice and clean. Look around at these spotless white pages. Aren't they lovely? Let's keep them that way. Rule number 2, only I get to... Who colored in my book? Did you color in my book?
Yes.
Did you do this? You did, didn't you? What did I say about keeping my book nice and clean? I was just explaining that. What? Listen, you are breaking the rules. Stop coloring in my book! Now, I think you better... It's you? What do you think you're doing?
I am adding some color to these boring white pages.
This is my book. I get to decide what color the pages are, and I say the pages are clean and white.
Oh dear, I wonder where I left my chartreuse crayon.
Chartreuse, that's a different color, right? Now let's try again with fresh new pages. Back to rule number 2. As the author, only I get to write the words.
The quiet, noble panda enjoys eating bamboo.
Hey, I didn't say that.
I thought they might enjoy learning some panda facts.
I'm the author. I'm the only one who gets to write the words. Now, rule number 3. As the illustrator, I get to draw all of the pictures. That means no one else can... Hey!
I added some new characters.
No, you don't get to add characters. I'm the illustrator, so I get to draw all the characters.
This is Pinky Joe and their friends Norbert and Squiggly visiting from Oregon.
And they say, pleased to meet you. This is so frustrating.
Hey guys, I have an idea.
What's happening?
Everybody here.
A flap? I don't want any flaps in my book. Yay, flaps are fun. I'm getting the feeling you're not listening to me.
You know what we should do next? A pull tab.
I love pull tabs. I don't want pull tabs. Hooray! That's it. Everybody out of my book.
You know what's even even more fun and pull tabs.
Why aren't you listening to me?
Pop-ups.
No pop-ups!
This is fun.
Ugh! You don't understand. This is my book. Ha ha ha, that was great.
Come on, let's finish the book together. You help us too.
This is your book. So now there's a little book that comes with it, which I wish I could hand to each of you, but you can go and create your own book with your own pop-ups, pull tabs, drawings, whatever you want. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow.